Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Brooklyn in an apartment, and they're going to be doing a renovation, so I'm creating drawings for their architect. I'll create a floor plan drawing, an RCP, and an electrical plan. Right now I'm in the great room. Here's windows. The city is off there in the distance. That's the front door. This is common hallway. There's a common bath on the left. There is a bedroom here, and then this is the master suite with closet, bath, bed area, windows obviously, and then I'll swing around, then master closets. So this is where I'm at today. This is what I'm working on. Thank you for viewing my video. If you're ever in need of existing addition drawings, whether it's inside the city or outside the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Once again, thanks for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.